Managing multiple TikToks, Instagram, and YouTube accounts can get very messy very fast. What if you could manage everything from one single laptop without buying multiple phones? Today I'm showing you GeeLark, an AI-powered platform that combines cloud phones, automation, and AI tools in one dashboard. GeeLark gives you real Android cloud phones directly to your computer. You can manage multiple social media accounts from one place without switching devices. Perfect for creators, agencies, and Faceless content pages. This is the GeeLark dashboard. First, I'm adding proxies. Next, this is the interface where I can add profiles. You can add as many profiles as needed. Look at the dashboard. You can see that more than one profile is open parallel, and I can see both the profiles at the same time. Isn't that amazing? Now you can see that it's much easier to manage more than one account. These are all the applications that you can download on the profiles that you have created and manage them. This is the automation section. You can create different tasks and schedule uploads for multiple accounts for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, and automate them easily and hassle-free. This is where you can create videos. You have the option of image to video, text to video, image generator, and AI video editor. And once they're created, you can save them to the library, and from the library they can easily be scheduled for multiple accounts. Look at the amazing video it has created. Now I can save this video to the library. It is saved here now and ready to be scheduled using automation section. Here I'm creating the task to upload the video.
拿起手机，编辑勇气，发出表白多一些。在这雨雪的夜里，你是我最好的回忆。幸福终于把我们锁在一起。
They have different packages. One is for 30 days, the other one is for 90 days, and the next one is for 180, and the other one is for 360 days. And for 90 days, you can get 10% discount, and if you get it for 180 days, you can get 15% of discount. And if you get it for a year, you get 25% discount. That's amazing. And you can also avail multiple bonus minutes if you choose for a longer period. That's all. If you like this, just get the package, whatever suits you. Bye.